Pronounced, defined, used in lexical dispatch.
Redundant, adjective, redundancy, redundantly, exceeding what is necessary or normal, characterized by unnecessary repetition, no longer needed or useful for a job or function. After the edit, the phrase redundant and unnecessary was removed for being itself redundant. The new software update made the old password requirements redundant. The author's writing was often redundant, repeatedly stating the same concept in different words. Following the corporate merger, hundreds of roles were declared redundant. Redundancy, noun. Good writing avoids redundancy by eliminating words that do not add new information. The engineer praised the system's redundancy as the backup power unit started immediately when the main one failed. The period of economic downturn led to widespread redundancy across the manufacturing sector. Redundantly, adverb. He redundantly repeated the instructions that were already clearly written on the board. The server was redundantly configured to ensure no data would be lost in a failure. Usage and importance. Core concept. Unnecessary repetition. Key for concise writing and error identification. In reading comprehension, understand when ideas are repeated versus reinforced. SAT writing. Identify and correct redundant words or phrases in sentences. For example, redundant repetition. GRE or GMAT text completion. Fill blank to describe repetitive or superfluous elements. Old test, vocabulary. Select synonyms, for example, superfluous, gratuitous, or interpret meaning in context. Common confusables. Repetitive versus redundant. Repetitive can be neutral, a repetitive task. Redundant is negative, unneeded. Succinct or concise. Antonyms for redundant, describing clear, brief expression. Tautology. A logical or rhetorical form of redundancy. For example, free gift. Relevant idioms or proverbs. Begging the question. A logical fallacy where the argument assumes its conclusion is true. Gliding the lily. To add unnecessary ornamentation to something already beautiful.